Hey guys, what's up? I'm in the kitchen right now and I figured I'd make something to eat. So I have some chicken set up in this slow cooker that I have. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some, what is this? Some oil. This is sesame seed oil. And just put like a little bit on there. So kind of like this. Alright. So pretty much just do this. I don't know, like marinate it. Alright, next let's take some of this. This is low sodium soy sauce. Add some of that in. A little more. Alright, well, that should do. Alright, next I have some string beans. They look like this. So I'm just gonna add that in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay. There we go. And I think I want one more bag. I got 3 bags, but I don't know if 2 will be good or if 3 will be good, so let's take a look. Alright. Let's see, I think I can fit one more bag, so let me get another bag, hang on. Alright, so I'm gonna add one more bag, because I think it can fit in the pot. Alright. Okay. So 3 bags of beans, chicken, soy sauce, and what was that? Sesame seed oil. So just put that in the crock pot like that. And then put the lid on. And then I'm gonna Alright, so put the lid on like that. And then I'm gonna put this on, let's see, high for about I'm gonna check it in like maybe 3 hours. 3 hours. So let's check back on this in 3 hours. Alright, it's only been an hour and a half, but I want to check on the food anyway, so let's take a look. Alright, let's open this guy up. And that end. Alright. Okay, I just want to stir this up a bit, see what the water's like. Okay, seems like I figured there would be more water from like the chicken and the beans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some water and then just add a bit more. Alright, so let's just eyeball this. Alright, I think that should do. Let's take a look. Alright, that looks like a good amount of water. Seems like that should be enough. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid back on. And then, let's check back on this in about an hour and a half. Alright guys, so two quick updates. First one, I actually decided to add more water to the chicken. It seemed like it needed more. And also I decided to wait to have it cooking for like a total of 4 hours instead of 3. So it's been about let me show you, hang on. Alright, so it's been a total of like 4 hours since I put this stuff in here. So let's take a look. Seems like it's boiling inside. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, damn, it's hot. Alright. Okay, let's open this up. That is hot. Alright. Seems like it's actually boiling in there a bit. Let me get a spoon. Let's take a look at this. So when I was adding the water, I was trying to add enough water so that I'd be able to cover roughly the top area of the chicken. So it's like roughly the same height, I guess you could say. But it seems pretty much good. Anyway, let me turn this off. And let's take a look inside. See if I... Let's try to... Okay, let's try to check the chicken, see if it's actually cooked. It's actually better if I take this out. Alright, let's take this out. I'll pop it on the cover here. Alright, that seems like it's done. So, yeah, good to go. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the recipe. Main changes that I did was cook it for 4 hours instead of 3. And if I were to do it again, I would just add enough water to have it like cover towards the top of the chicken. So just those two changes, and that's pretty much it. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.